So where can we start our own transformation? We don't want you to start off with a very large investment. Usually the best way is to start with a pilot project with only a selected few machines that are critical to your production, so that you can understand what kind of benefits you can get out of doing this kind of IoT investment and digital transformation for your organization. Once we have done proper pilot trials and identified the key points that you want to improve for your manufacturing operations, then we'll start gradually looking on how to scale out the deployment to your whole manufacturing site, or even multiple sites if you have multiple factories across your campus or around the globe. To do the digital transformation journey, it's key that you start with something small, manageable, and can demonstrate the correct impact. Because this way, it is easier for you to quantify the results and also gain confidence, and at the same time, provide evidence so that upper management can buy into your transformation results and invest in further efforts. To make things easy to start with, TPM provides 4 starter packages for helping you start your digital transformation journey. You can start with any one of these packages and move out to other ones. The first package is Quick Response, which covers OEE and add-on iApps to allow quick reporting of events on the shop floor that may impede production and to ensure your OEE is increased as you eliminate issues. The second package is our Real-Time Progress package, which covers the shop floor application. This is to help you create transparency in your work progress and also ensure that the productivity factor of OEE is secure. The third package is Machine Inspector, which covers the maintenance iApp. Because we're using a lot of machines in production, availability of these machine resources are key to ensuring production is running smoothly. So that's where maintenance comes in. Lastly, with our Work Mentor package, we're looking at the digital instructions provided by eManual. This is a bit more situational depending on your industry, but it's highly recommended where you have complex assemblies. Providing digital instruction guidance to help upskill your workers in the rapid changing product lifecycle is key to ensuring your productivity and availability, and also quality. So if we look back to the matrix just now, which ones of these packages are the most key and high impact for your case? We would recommend you start with Quick Response, Real-Time Progress, and Machine Inspector. Work Mentor is much more situational, so feel free to reach out to us for a discussion on this part. So let's take a look at our Quick Response Starter package. With a single ECU gateway, you can easily harvest your IoT data from your equipment and also send this data to our applications, which are hosted on Microsoft Azure. OEE and add-on are available as part of this package to help you very quickly analyze your machine performance and also to track down any issues impending production, such as material shortages or changeovers or even machine failures, to ensure the right resources are assigned and you can quickly recover to normal production. With a single gateway, you can start collecting all the IoT data from your production equipment. And this data can be sent to our OEE and add-on iApps, which are hosted on Microsoft Azure. With this data, you can immediately start looking and analyzing at your machine efficiency and also understand what the OEE score of your current production line is. Any events that are triggered by your machine, either failure or human process related events such as material shortages, can be tracked by add-on and to help you quickly resolve these impeding issues and return to normal production. Next, let's look at our Real-Time Progress Starter package. This one focuses on harvesting IoT data and manual reporting to help you understand what your work order progress is. We can get this data out of your production PLCs if your machines support them, or using additional sensors such as RFID or barcodes when the product workpiece moves through your production line or through the work cells. Now, with the Machine Inspector package, we can look at the operation uptime of your equipment or how many work pieces your machine has been through to schedule automatically key maintenance schedules and also respond to any repair tickets should the machine still unexpectedly break down. Now, all the work is tracked using the mobile app, so your field engineers also have support to record their work and also to close any support tickets they have received. And overall, you have a better insight as to whether your machines are running in good order or not. Lastly, the Work Mentor package helps to provide digital instructions for your employees. Using a touch panel or existing monitor, you can easily show them what is the step-by-step instruction for their complex assembly work so that they don't need to memorize that many instructions. Furthermore, we can use AI or other barcodes to help demonstrate compliance of these instructions from your employees. That's all for the starter packages with TPM. If you're interested, do feel free to reach out to us.